Hi, hello, this is Isaac from Spot the Hotel London. We are today in West Silvertown, East London, South East London. It's just in front of the London City Airport. You have the DLR station 5 minutes walking. You can reach Canning Town in no more than 10 minutes, so you can get the Jubilee line and just move to Central London in 20-25 minutes. It's a wonderful house. It's 2 floors, 4 rooms. We can go into the room. We don't have access. I'm going to show you the share areas, the share areas, like the kitchen where we are now, the dining area, and the bathrooms. Also the courtyard. So it's okay. Let's go to see. Okay, this is the kitchen. You can see it's a nice kitchen. You have here in the corner the microwave, a kettle, a toaster. All is working with gas. The heater and the water. Here we have here more space. Here is the washing machine. The sink. Oh, as you can hear is the planes are going around because the London City Airport is so close. So this airport is your kind of airport. You can reach the airport in no more than 15 minutes. This is the fridge and the freezer. Oh, look at the quality of the bean. Wonderful. Yeah, this is pretty much the oven. This is pretty much the kitchen. We have here a dining area with a nice dining table. And the amazing courtyard, the garden. It's that big. As you can see, it's perfect for enjoying summer parties or just chill. You have a dining table here and a lot of space, as you can see. Yeah, the DLR station is so close, no more than 5 minutes walking, but the rails are coming through the house, no more than 20-25 meters. So it's absolutely, you have a nice, I mean, it's well connected with everything in London, and even you have the London City Airport so close, so it's always good news. Okay, let's go to see the bathroom and the toilet. Okay, this is the main entrance of the house. Oh, it's closed. Yeah, this is the main entrance. Here in the right we have a toilet with basin and the toilet. We have 2 toilets in the house. It's always useful. Let's go upstairs to see the bathroom. It's right here. Oh, so bright. Okay, this is the bathroom with another toilet, the tub or shower, and the sink is facing the main street. Yeah, this is pretty much the house. So this is it. If you're interested in this house, you can see the room photos in the website, and the floor plans, and more photos and more information about the area and the house. This was Isaac from Spotahot London, from West Silvertown. Thank you for watching. Ciao.